Assalamualaikum. I am Abdurrahman from Computer Vision Technology. Today my video related of checking computer specs and generation. Uh, Startup. This is a Lenovo PC, Lenovo company. Today I am check the specs of the PC. We are go to this PC, go to property. This is a method check of specs of this PC. Processor Intel Core TM Core i5 fourth generation 4570 CPU 3.20 GHz and 3.2 GHz processor. It's a processor installed memory 4 GB 3.89 GB usable 64-bit operating system and no pins. The name of this work group and PC names. This is a video on checking specs of computer system. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share with friends to this video. Thank you. Allah.